Hey Budget Babes, it's Linda back again with another video. It's Budget Babe Tuesday and it's time for a Dollar Tree haul. So let's just get into it and show you what I got this week. The first little cute item I'm gonna show you are these wine stoppers. It's a 2-pack. And if you follow me on TikTok, you may have seen me showcase these before, but I never purchased them. So this time around, I decided to purchase them. I thought these little cute corks would be nice for my wine. I really like these colors, so that's why I picked these. Here I have a really pretty green rose. And then we have a nice blue mermaid tail or fish tail, whatever you want to call it. But how cute are these? Next in my haul, I got a body wash, and I was really happy to find this because this is a great size. This is a full size Arm & Hammer, and this is the Essentials Ultra Moisturizing Body Wash. It says it has soothing baking soda, dye-free, paraben-free, and vegan. And the scent is Simply Fresh, and it's just a really nice, clean scent. And it's the bonus large size. Like, this is really big, 12 fluid ounces, so that's a great size bottle. The next thing I found at Dollar Tree was actually something that I was really excited about because I had never seen this at Dollar Tree before. Dollar Tree has micellar water now, and I love micellar water for removing my makeup, and it's usually my first step of my skincare routine. So this is an 8-ounce bottle. Really nice large size. For $1, it's great. I usually use the Garnier, but obviously that's a little more expensive. So I'm really excited to see how this compares to any other micellar water. It says here, cleanses and hydrates, all in one, no rinsing, no alcohol, no residue, and suitable for all skin types, even sensitive skin. So this is by the brand Bath & Beauty. So the next item I'm going to show you is this LA Colors Super Strength Nail Builder. I heard really good things about this, so I want to give it a try. It says here that it's instant strengthening formula, prevents nails from chipping. So it's supposed to protect your nails and strengthen them. And it's just a clear, polished bottle. And I guess you use this as a bait, or you can use it by itself to help strengthen your nails. So I'm really excited to give this a try. The next item I'm going to show you, I was also really excited to find at Dollar Tree because I had never seen it before. And this is also by Bath & Beauty, the same brand of the micellar water. And this is the makeup brush cleaner. So it says here a rinse-free formula and quick drying. This is a 5 fluid ounce bottle, and it just comes with a spray. So you would just spray it, and then, oh, that's nice. So you would just spray it on the brush and then maybe dry it on a paper towel. So I'm excited to see how this works, and hopefully it works. Really exciting to see new things at the Dollar Tree. So now we're gonna get into makeup. These last items are all makeup items. So the first thing I'm gonna show you is a Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit Mega Last Lipstick. So if you saw my last makeup Dollar Tree haul, you saw that I've hauled 3 of these liquid lipsticks. So I was really excited to find another color, and this bright pink is really pretty. So this color is Oh My Dolly, and a very pretty pink, and definitely matches my pink makeup look today. So let's give this a swatch. Okay, so we're gonna open it up and swatch it here. Look at that. That is very pretty. And right away, it's kind of drying already, and you know, leaving that matte finish. Even though it dried matte, it feels very creamy and soft, so it won't be super dry on the lips, and I really like that color. The next item I found is by Hard Candy. This is the Stay in Line Waterproof Eyeliner. It's supposed to be a 12-hour lasting eyeliner, and then this is the retractable end, and this end is like a sponge. So I really like that for like the smudged eyeliner look. So I'm hoping that this works out. I've honestly been on the hunt for hard candy makeup because I've seen on YouTube a lot of hard candy products have been circulating lately. And I just don't feel like I've had that much luck with hard candy. I've seen people have palettes and all kinds of makeup items. And if you've seen my last haul, you saw that I found all of the setting sprays and the primers, but I really want to try to find palettes and more makeup items. So let me know if you found any good hard candy items because I am searching for them. And I know that it varies by state to state. I'm in Illinois, so just drop down below in the comments what state you're in, and maybe that's why you've had better luck with hard candy. I find that I've been having more luck with Wet n Wild, but I am still hopeful to find some good hard candy products. So this is what the pencil looks like. It's nice and pointy at the end. And then this end, like I said, is the smudger sponge. So I'm going to swatch it next to the lipstick. Okay, so I'm gonna swatch it right here. Ooh, wow. Okay, so that's not what I was expecting at all. I was expecting a pencil, you know, like a retractable pencil, but this feels more like a gel. I feel like this might even do a nice, you know, winged look because it feels like, you know, it'll be nice and movable. So I'm gonna use the little sponge applicator here, and I feel like, you know, we gotta play with it, but I feel like this might leave a nice little wing. You see that? It definitely feels more like a gel and not like a pencil. So that'll be nice for a good winged liner. Look at that. Nice and smooth. Okay, so I messed up down there, but do you see how crisp that line is? And I think with this sponge applicator, this can leave a really nice sharp wing liner. Wow, was not expecting this at all. So the formula is very creamy and gel-like. So it's not a pencil, it's definitely a gel eyeliner. And I really like that. If you're not sensitive to waterproof, this is a really good eyeliner. Another eyeliner that I found at Dollar Tree is by the brand Flower by Drew Barrymore. This is a really good brand. Flower is usually really rare at the Dollar Tree, so I always get excited when I find it. So it is a retractable eyeliner. This is in the color Aubergine. Aubergine is, I guess, more of like a plum purple. So let's swatch it next to our black one. So, okay, so it doesn't look purple. If anything, it looks black. It has a very slight hint of purple, but it almost looks brown. But I definitely think it could pass for black because it is very dark. But it goes on pretty nice. It doesn't go on like the gel one. It's definitely a pencil. So I think this will look really nice in the waterline. So this is the long wear eyeliner, and I think it's really nice quality. And the next eyeliner that I found is by LA Colors. So this is a blue eyeliner, and it is a felt tip liner, really pretty blue. When I went to my Dollar Tree, there was a whole new display of different kinds of LA Colors makeup. So I definitely think that you need to go to Dollar Tree to take a look at the new stuff because it kind of looks like it's a new spring collection. Just to give you guys an idea of the display that I saw, I'm gonna insert the clip of And let's open up this blue eyeliner. So this is what it looks like, really nice felt tip. And I'm gonna swatch it right here next to the other eyeliners. Wow, that is very nice. And that's exactly the blue that I had hoped it would be. So next, by LA Colors, I got one of the liquid eyeshadows. If you saw in the clip, you saw that there were various colors. But this smoky kind of silver color really called out to me. So I needed to have it. This is in the color Smokin'. I'm gonna swatch it for you on this hand. Wow, look at that. It is a really nice metallic gray. I definitely could see myself using this gray in a really pretty glam smoky eye. And I really like how it captures the light. I hope that it's picking up good in the video, but that is a really nice metallic color. Next, by LA Colors, I got one of their blush sticks. So if you saw in the clip, there were two different blush sticks, but I really liked the color of this. This color is flushed and it was more of the pinky tone. And I really like blush sticks. I think that they blend so nicely. And I liked this particular color because blush sticks are very multi-purpose. You can use them on your cheeks, you can use them on the eyes, you can use them on the lips. They're really multi-purpose. Look at the packaging of this, the holographic. It just is so cute. And similar to a lipstick, you just kind of twist it up, twist it down. Really like that. So let's give it a swatch right here. Ooh, that is pretty. And the color payoff is really nice. I can definitely see that, especially for the summer, giving you a nice rosy glow to your cheeks. And then the last item that I'm gonna show you is the glow sticks. So they had two different highlighters, but I got the color Halo. I thought this was really nice because I really like gold highlights. And I think that this is gonna feel so luxurious on the skin. Because it's a stick, it's not powdery, it won't leave you cakey. I think this is gonna just melt into the foundation and just really give you a nice glow. And again, that nice holographic packaging and easy application. You just kind of use the stick, the retractable stick, and I'm gonna swatch it next to the blush right here. And wow, look at that. Doesn't that look so nice? It almost kind of leaves it looking like a wet glow, like very natural. I can see this looking really nice on the cheeks, on the nose, on the Cupid's bow, even on the eyes. This is going to look nice. And in the summer, you know, you can put it onto your collarbone for a nice little glow, even your shoulders, if you have a nice strapless dress. So this is really nice. I would highly recommend you guys getting this glow stick. Super duper pretty. Okay guys, so we've reached the end of this Dollar Tree haul video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's Budget Babe episode. As always, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. Remember that I upload videos every Tuesday and Friday. Tuesdays are Budget Babe videos and Fridays are Fabulous Friday videos. So make sure you don't miss out on any of those. Be sure to hit the bell icon so that you can get notifications every time I upload. I thank you guys so much for joining me on today's Budget Babe episode. I hope to see you guys on Fabulous Friday. Bye.